The queen of the silver dollar is not as haughty as she seems. She was once an ordinary girl with ordinary dreams. But I found her and I won her and I brought her to this world. I'm the man that made a queen of the simple country girl. She's the queen of the silver dollar. She rules the smoky kingdom. Her scepter is a wine glass and the bar stool is her throne. The jesters flock around her. They fight to win her favors, to see which one will take the queen of the silver dollar home.